Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can make color by numbers worksheets in Canva. So I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva home page. So now we need to go in templates. Okay, and here you need to search that color by numbers. Okay, so here we have the lots of templates. You can see animals, dog, and some kind of design. Here you can see there is a lots of outline you can color with numbers. Okay, so whatever you want, just click on it, it will be open, and you can see at the bottom you can see the more like this. You can see the more similar templates. Okay, you can get from here also, or here you can also search specific templates like house color by number. Okay, you can see this is house outline, you can see, and we have more outlines. Okay, or you can also search by particular dog color by numbers. So here we can see we have some that templates. Okay, and here you can see some categories. You can also search for categories like poster, your story, Instagram post. Here we have style for simple illustration, whatever you want. Okay, and language also you can choose. Here we have the language for this color by numbers templates. So I just choose all. Yeah. Okay, so now just choose whatever you want. So I just select this one, go to the customize source. Here we have that templates. You can see, you can zoom in. Here the colors numbers. Okay, here the numbers where you want, where you need to put that colors. You can see the all numbers. You can also want to, if you want to change it, you can change, like you can just double click on that number. Now you can change it. Okay, once you don't, go here, download as a printable PDF only, and download it. Once you download, you need to print it, and you can, or your child, color it by numbers. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.